friends, welcome back. Today we are building a real-world backend project, a video conferencing web application using Laravel 12, React, and Zeegocloud UI Kit for seamless video communication. So we use in it Zeegocloud UI Kit. So basically, Zeegocloud is a powerful interaction apps with voice, video, and chat APIs. Okay, so we can just simple start building and integrate the APIs in our applications. Okay, so we have different kind of APIs in it, like video call, voice call, live streaming, in-app chat, cloud recording, all the things. Okay, but in today's video, we are just simple focusing on with this video call SDK and how we can make the video conferencing web app using this Zeegocloud UI kits. Okay, so for this, I'll just simple select this video call, and after opening this video call session, you have proper documentation and all the guide how to customize and how to use this in your mobile app, which okay, like Laravel, Node.js, other languages. Okay, so these are the features that this Zeegocloud UI Kit provide: face mutation, super resolution, call imitation, group call, all the things in the video conferencing. Okay, and here we have just simple guidelines about this, and here it also we can also go with UI kits and automatically create this UI. When we create the API, it automatically create the UI kit, and we just simply integrate it into our applications. Okay, so this is it. We have two options for integrating, like UI kits and SDKs. Okay, so in this video, we are just simple go with UI kits. Okay, because it is easy and we can easily integrate into our application. And the second thing is we can integrate this in any language we are working: React, Node, Angular, all the language .NET. Okay, so this is it. So first of all, I will give you the demo what we are going to make in this video, and then we can again create this. Okay, so basically on this side, my user, that is John, is login. Okay, so basically John user is a host that host meeting. Okay, and on the other side, I have another user login, that is Lina, and basically Lina is a member that can join the meetings that are created by host. Okay, so we have multiple hosts and multiple members in it. Okay, so these are basically concept scenario that I'll just simple give you. You can customize it into your according to your scenarios. Okay, so basically it is a video conferencing. Okay, so on this side, host side, I'll just simple go to host, and here you can see I have option, that is create new meeting. Okay, so I'll just simple create a meeting, just click on it, and here you can see it automatically create the meeting link and room ID, all the things. Okay, so this room ID is shown here. When I'll just simple go to join meeting, here you can see available meetings. In the available meetings, it is showing me the meeting that is created by the host. Okay, so members have two options: whether they can just simple join by just clicking on this join, and here also I mentioned the host name, and we members have other option also, that is join by room ID. So member just put here this ID. Okay, and just join the meeting. Okay, so first I'll just simple here join the meeting by the host side. Okay, I'll just simple allow this. Okay, and here I'll just simple mention here name of host, and just turn off the camera voice. Just click on join, and on the other side from the member, I'll just simple click on join. Okay, and I'll just simple pass here name member. Okay, that's it, and just click on join, and here you can see member join the same meeting that is created by the host, and it joined by just clicking on join, and a member can also join by a link, as I said earlier. Okay, so now host can on the microphone, on the camera, share the screen, and also it have option of change layout of this call. When we have a lot of member, then it change the layout to sidebar grid according to his choice. Okay, and also host can see the members, where how many members are in the room. Okay, so this is it. And now on this side, I'll just simple uh, leave the meeting and return to home screen. And here is the host side, and I'll just simple join it again and pass here name. Okay, okay. So we can customize it according to our choice. Okay, and now on the this side, the member side, I'll just simple leave the meeting. Okay, and return to home screen, and I'll just simple return back. Okay, so first option, I'll just simple show you that available meetings, and you member can join from just click on this link. And second option we have is member join by room link. Okay, and room ID. Okay, that is this. So basically this ID, I'll just simple copy this ID and paste this ID here, and just click on join meeting. And now I'll show you it join the same meeting that is created by the host. I'll just simple pass here the name member and just click on join. And now here you can see member join the same meeting that is created by the host. So this is it. So you can send the meeting link in the emails, or whether you can use it according to your choice. Okay. So you hosts can delete the meeting also. And here you can see available meeting. From the available meeting session, the meeting is deleted because it is deleted by the host. Okay, so this is it. This is the basic concept idea of how we can use this video conferencing feature, real time feature. Into our application, whether we are building a mobile app or a web application. So this is it. So also this project has become an essential tool for communication, and you can use this in online classroom where teachers host lessons and student attends. And also we can use this in remote team meetings, like where designated host and participant. Okay, and also we can use this in customer support or consultation session with control access. So that's it. This is our demo. So now we can again create this from scratch. So
Now,
let's
first
start.
of
First of all, I'll just simple create my new Laravel project. And for this, I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory where my Laravel projects are. So these are in Laravel 12. Okay, we are working in Laravel 12. So now I'll just simple create a folder here, and I'll just simple name this folder as a video conferencing 2. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple close this and open the VS Code. And now in the VS Code, I'll just simple open the folder that I recently created. That is video conferencing 2. Okay, so you just simple open this folder. And now within this folder, I'll just simple create a new Laravel project, Laravel 12 project. And for creating Laravel 12 project, we just simple use this command, that is this Laravel new. And I'll just simple name my project as test. Okay, so just click on enter. And here after clicking on enter, here it asks me which starter kit you like to install. So I'll just simple like to install the React starter kit. And for the authentication, I'll just simple write here Laravel and click on enter. And we don't need any testing for now, just click on enter. Okay, and now my project creation and installation is started. So within 2 or 3 minutes my project will set up, then we can start working. So that's it. Here you can see my project is now created. Okay, so I'll just simple come to project using this command. Okay, means navigate to project using this. Okay, and now what we have to do first is we just simple set up our database. And for setting up our database, I'll just simple go to my project and go to database and go to migrations. Okay, so we have already by default built in by default migration data, user, cache, and job and sessions tables. Okay, so I'll just simple open the users table, and within this table I'll just simple have to configure one thing. And I'll just simple need to add in it a column that is role. Okay, and I'll just simple add this column first. And for this, I'll just simple add here I just copy this and paste this here and use here dollar table, and this column is of type enum, and enum type role, and role in the role I have two type of user. One is host and second one is member. Okay, that's it, and pass here default member. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this and add this column only, and now I'll just simple create a new migrations, because I need a table. First I'll just simple come to project and create a migrations that is for meetings table. Okay, and for this I'll just simple uh, run the command for creating migration, that is this PHP artisan make migrations create meetings table. Just click on enter and it will create the meetings table, and now within it I'll just simple add the columns that I need in the meetings table, and I have I'll just simple copy this, and I'll paste this here in this after ID, and here I have here foreign ID, foreign ID, and in the foreign ID I have uh, column name user underscore ID, and also we need to pass here the constraint. Constraint on delete. Okay, and pass here cascade. Okay, that's it. And now after it, we have another column that is string, and it is room underscore ID, and I'll just simple make it unique. Okay, because every time when user create the room ID, it is automatically unique, and then after it, I have another string that is meeting underscore link. Okay, and it is nullable. Okay, so optional generated URL. Okay, basically it is option generated URL. Okay, and then I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and this time it is start underscore time. Okay, and it is just copy this, paste this here, and paste this here. Timestamp. It is no timestamps. Okay, and remove this role because we don't need this in it, and it is start time nullable, and then we have the meeting link, then room ID, and then foreign key item. So that's it. We just simple need these table. Okay, and now I'll just simple close this all set, and now we just simple set up our database. And for setting up our database, I'll just simple go to .env file, and in the env file, you can see here the database variables credentials are commented out by default. So we need to uncomment out these. So I'll just simple uncomment out, and here I'll just simple pass here the database name video conference 2. Okay, that's it. And here I'm using MySQL, so I'll just simple add here MySQL. Okay, just save this, and just go to config database.php, and also we need to change here to MySQL. Okay, and now just copy this name, open the browser, and here I'll just simply click on new and create the database with the same name that I put in my project, that is video conference 2, and click on create, and it will create the project with the same name, that is video conference 2. Okay, and now I'll just simple run my migrations, that is PHP using this PHP artisan migrate, PHP artisan migrate. Okay, that's it. So I successfully ran our migration. I'll just simple double click on it again, And here you can see I have successfully created all the tables and all the migration that we set up, and all the tables are according to our choice. Okay, so that's it. So we just successfully set up a database. So now we just simply start working in our models and then controller and make the views and start working it. So let's do it. So I'll just simply minimize it. And here, first of all, what I'll do is I'll just simply get the UI kit of Zeegocloud, and for this, I'll just simply open the browser, and here I'll just simply open this, and here I'll just simply search here Zeegocloud and just open this, and then you just simply go to sign up. And when you just simply click on sign up, it show you the sign up page, and from where this sign up page, you just simple sign up with the email account. Okay, and now it bring me to a dashboard page because I already set sign up. Okay, and after sign up, you just simple see this interface same like this. You just simple need to create a project, so I'll just simple click on it, and for now I have here multiple option for use cases. So for now, we are just simple focusing on video conferences, like add one-to-one group or calls to your web app or mobile app. So you just simple select this and just click on next. And I'll just simple name my project as video conference two. Okay, and just start with UI kit. Just click on this. Okay, and now it will create the video conference UI kit, and just wait for this process loading. Okay, so that's it. And now I'll just simple click on this, start build your app. Okay, and here you can see it provide me options like build your app for web, iOS, Android, Flutter, and I'll just simply select here web, and after this it show me the build your web, and we just simple select the feature for our app. Like I'll just simple, if I want to exclude the microphone, I'll add here, and also I can set the layout grid sidebar on all. Okay, and also I'll just simple add the here remove here these features like members in the group, so users list. So I'll just simply remove it and it move it. Okay, but for now I'll just simple left this same as it does not remove anything. Okay, I'll just simple click on this save and start to integrate. And here it provide me demo on this page also, and also it provide me the demo like get the config file and integrate. Just click on this, and here you can see it provide me the option like download HTML file. So I'll just simple click on this. So basically this is my UI kit, so I'll just simple open it, and here you can see now I have successfully get the UI kit, and I'll just simple allow this. Okay, and just close this. Okay, and here you can see on this, I'll just simple copy this and just click on join. So basically this user join. So here you can see user join, and you can join with other users, and here I have the option like I'll turn on my microphone, and also I'll turn on my camera. Okay, and also I can share my screen and all the things. Okay, that we see in the demo. Okay, so that's it. It is it. And now we just simply integrate this UI kit into our application. So let's start. So I'll just simple remove this and close this. Okay, and I'll just simple come to my project, and for this first of all I'll just simple make the model because we have a meetings table, and here you can see I have app models, and in the models I have just by default user model. Okay, so I need to add here the meetings model also, and for this I'll just simple make the model. Okay, and I'll just simple make it like PHP artisan make model, make model meeting. Okay, that's it. So I created the model, and now I'll just simple add here some things in the model like atomic label and relation. Okay, and for this, I'll just simple close this, and here I'll just simple copy this and go to meeting. And here I'll just simple paste this, and within this I have in the meetings table I have a user ID, and after it I have a room underscore ID. Then I have meeting underscore link. And below it, I have start time, start underscore time. Okay, so I have just these, and after this, below I have the function that is relation public function, and this function name is user, and I'll just simple make it belongs to, and here I'll just simple add a return $this belongs to. Okay, and I'll pass here user mode. Okay, and here on top I'll just simple copy this and just go to user model, and I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and add here use as factory. Okay, and I'll just simple copy this and paste this here, and I'll add here relations, and in this we are using this relation that is belongs to. So just copy this and paste this here. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple copy this function again. We need to define this in user model also, and I'll paste this here. And in the user model, this function is like this: meetings, because user belongs to meeting and meeting belong to user. Okay, meeting, and the user has many meetings. Okay, has many. Okay, and below has many, and I'll just simply use this same word here, that is has many, and here add in it meeting class. Okay, that's it. And we need to add this relation in the report. Just copy this and paste this here, and I'll add here has many. Okay, that's it. We just simple do this, and now after it, I'll just simple run my project. Just open the terminal, and here we just simple run this by composer run dev, or we can also run this separately PHP artisan cell, or just navigate to project, and here I'll just simple run my npm run dev. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple open it, and I'll just simple register here with user Lina at the gmail.com, and the password and password. Okay, so here you can see my user is now registered, and it show me the dashboard. Okay, and now the thing is here you can see on this end, on this browser profile, I'll just simply register with a new user. Okay, and here I'll just simply register with our user John at the rate gmail.com, and password. Okay, so now I'm registered with another user, and here from the database I'll show you these are my users. So by default, user have role member. So I'll just simple give the role John as a host, and the other user that is Lina, I'll just simple left the same as it is, role member. Okay, so now this user John have role uh, host. Okay, so basically this user can create meeting, and these meeting links are shown to the user whose role are members. Okay, and for this we just simple need to first what do, like when user role is host, then it show here create meetings, and when user role is member, then show here join meetings. Okay, this nav item. Okay, so we need to change this nav item on the basis of user login, and for this I'll just simple come to my VS Code, and here you can see resources JS, and within this components I have this app.sidebar. Okay, so basically this sidebar is this that is showing here on both uh, user dashboard. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is we just simple fetch the login user data on this page, and on the basis of login user role we define and we show the nav item to the user. Okay, and for this is just 56 line code, so I'll just simple remove this code, and now we just simple again write the code that shows the nav item on the basis of the user login. Okay, so let's do it. So so here I'll just simple close the footer. And so here we just simple write this code. Now I'll just simple remove this extra code. Okay, just save this. And now I'll just simple come to browser, and here it is now, and here it is not showing me any interface. So I think we have any error. So on the console, it is saying me single React element as well. Okay. So I think we pass here as well. So I'll just simply remove this and hit this. And now here you can see it is showing me the host meeting because this login user role is John. That is this. Its role is host, and then it show the host at host meetings. And on the other side, the user role is member. So that's why it is showing me here join meeting. So that's great, amazing. So now we just simple set up the sidebar nav items. Okay. So now what we need to do is we just simple make these pages that is meeting slash join meeting slash host, and then after it we just simply define the controller and then write some function and make the routes in it. Okay. And for this I'll just simple go here to pages, and within it I'll just simply make the new folder, and I'll just simply name this folder as meeting. uh, and within this meeting folder I'll just simply create the new file, and I'll just simply name this as hosts dot tsx. Okay. And then after it I make the another two files, that is join.txs, join.tx. Okay. Okay. And after it the last one file we required for it, home.txs. Okay. That is home.txs. Okay, that's it. We make the views that we need here. And now what I'll do is we just simply need the controller. Okay, so I'll just simply make here controller. And for making controller, we have this command, php artisan make controller. And I'll just simply name my controller as meeting controller. Okay, so you just give name another name to controller also. Meeting control. Just this, save this, and now I'll just simply close this. So first I'll just simply define the function in the controller, and then after it, we just simply define the routes. Okay, and for defining controller, first I'll here import some in first I'll just simply import here inertia slash inertia. Okay, and below it, I'll just simply use here uh, this. I'll just simply copy this, paste this here, use eliminate, and here pass support, and then after it str. Okay, I'll just simply pass here str. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simply define here functions one by one. Okay, so here I'll just simply define the function. So first, I'll just simply write a public function host index, and then I'll just simple make the object variable meeting, and within it I'll just simple pass the login user data and just simple return inertia, and render the view that is meeting slash host. And on this view I need to pass here the meeting data. Okay, so that's why I'll pass here this data. Okay, and then I'll just simply remove these brackets, and also we don't need this. Okay, so we just simple do this, and now after it, I need to define the create function, that is for creating and the meeting. Okay, so just this. Okay, that is public function create. So first, I'll just simple check if user has already has a meeting, then it redirect back to the meeting host page. And if not, then it first validate it, then create the meeting. Okay. That's it. We just simple write this code and then after it redirect back to the meeting created successfully. Okay, and I'll just simple remove this. Okay, and now after it I'll just simple define first all the function, and the second function is join index. This function is for the member who joined the meeting. Okay, I'll just simple define the function from here. And within it, I'll just simple make the variable that is dollar $meeting, and just get the data with user function that we define in the model. And then after it, after this fetch these details, I'll just simple render the view of join that is for members. Okay, so member can see the live meeting, how many meetings are going uh, like this. Okay, so we just simple write this code, and after it I'll just simply remove these brackets. Okay, and then after it I'll just simply define the function that is post join, and then after it destroy. Okay, that is for deleting the meeting link. Okay. So that's it. We just simple write this code in it, and I'll just simply remove these brackets. Okay. And here I'll just simple format it like this. Okay, that's it. And then I'll just simply define the last function that is destroy, and it is for deleting the meeting. Okay. So first, it just simple check if the user is the host of this meeting, then user can delete this meeting. Okay. And then after it, we just simple return redirect out to meetings host. That's it. We just simple do this, and now I'll just simple remove these brackets. So we successfully define all the function. Now I'll just simple define the routes, and for route I'll just simple go to my routes web.php, and here within it I'll just simple define it use as slash http slash first import the controller that is controllers, and then after it my controller name is meeting controller. Okay, so we successfully import this. Now I'll just simple define the routes. Okay, and I'll just simple define the route within this auth verified middleware. Okay, so I'll just simple define the route here. So first is meeting slash host, and within this I'll just simple call the host index function that we define, and then after it I have a post route that is for creating the meeting, and then after it I have the delete meeting route, and I'll just simple pass the function in it destroy, and then after it I'll just simple define the function and define the routes for member routes. Okay, so member can join, and member can first is for viewing the page of member using join index and then join. Okay. So that's it. We just simple define these. Just I'll format it like this. Okay. And after defining the routes, I'll just simple optimize it like this. Okay. And now I'll just simple go to browser. And here when I'll just simple reload it and click on host meeting, it is not showing me this view. So I think we have an issue. I'll just simply click on it. It is saying me meeting slash host does not exist. So I think we have issue here. So in the controller, here you can see we are redirecting this view meeting slash host, but on the pages, we have the folder name like this. Here you can see in the pages meeting. We need to make it meetings, and instead of host, I'll just simply need to remove the S from this. Okay, just save this and now optimize it and open browser and reload it. So I think I hope now it not give me any error. So I'll just simply click on it and now it bring me to the host page. But for now we don't have anything on the host page, so that's why it is showing me empty. Okay, just bring it back and reload it. So we back to dashboard. And on the other side, I'll just simply reload it and I'll just simply click on join meeting. And it's saying me app slash HTTP slash controller meeting not found. So I think we have issue in the controller, that is the model import. So we need to import the model also. Use app slash model slash meeting. Okay, that's it. We just simply need to import this and optimize it. And now I'll just simple reload it and go to join meeting. And now it bring me to the meeting join page also. So that's great, amazing. So we successfully re-rendered the views. So now we just simply need to write the code in the views. Okay. So first of all, I'll just simple close these extra and also close this. So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra code and just save this. And now I'll just simple go to browser and just go to host meeting, and now it's showing me the same interface like we see in the demo. So when I'll just simple click on this create new meeting, and it created the meeting, and also it saved this in the database. Okay, so that's great, amazing. Okay, so also we can delete the meeting. Okay, so now the thing is I'll just simple join the meeting, but before this I'll just simple make this view, that is join.txs. Okay, so just make this view first. Here I'll just simple start writing code for join.txs. So that's it. We just simply write this code. And now I'll just simply remove this code. And here I'll just simply pass here button variant. And from this, it is input type. Okay. And here in this, I'll just pass here div meeting ID and okay. Remaining all are set. And now I'll just simply go to browser and just go to join meeting. Here it's semi belongs to. Okay. So we need to remove add this belongs to relationship in my model, that is meeting. Okay. That is this here. The meeting, I'll just simply need to add this belongs to. So I'll just simply copy it, paste this here, just copy it and paste this here. Okay. Just simple go to browser and here when I'll just simple again go to join meeting and here you can see it is showing me this host name John, that is this name because this user created the meeting and on this it is showing me the option and also this room ID. So that's great, amazing. So we just simple start the meeting and on the other side we are also showing here in the welcome meeting. So that's great, amazing. So what we have to do is we just simple need to define our last page, that is room.txs, and then we just simple test our live meeting. Okay. So basically in this file, I'll just simple add the UI kit. Okay. That is that I get from the Zeegocloud. Okay. So that's it. We just simple write this code, and now I'll just simple remove this extra code. Okay. So everything good, and then now within it, the important thing is you need to replace your app ID here and app server secret here. So I'm passing here my server secret and my app ID. You need to pass your app ID and now your server secret from the UI kit file that we get it. That is this file. Okay, you need to make sure this thing, and I'll just simply show you this one with VS Code, and you need to add your app ID and server secret from this file. Okay, so that's great, amazing. So now we set up this room.h. So now I'll just simply go to view and just reload it, and also I'll just simply reload it from this side. So first I'll just simply join the meeting from the host side, and here I'll just simply turn off the camera, and here So here I'll just simply join the meeting from this host site first. So I'll just simply click on it and turn off the camera, and I'll just simple pass here in name host and click on join. And here you can see the host is successfully joined the meeting. And on the other side, now I'll just simply join the meeting from this side, that is member side. And I'll just simply turn off the camera and pass here name member. Okay, and just click on join, and here you can see member join the same meeting that is created by the host. So that's great, amazing. So I'll just simply leave the meeting and now show you from this that we just simply join the meeting by room ID also. So I'll just simply copy this and paste this room ID here and just click on join meeting, and now you can see it joined the same meeting also. So both feature are working, that user can join from the link or also join from the passing room ID. Okay, so user can also share the screen and host can also share the screen. Okay, so that's great, amazing. Also we need set up the layout, change the layout here. As you can see, okay. So that's it. So same as it is, feature are working like same that we see in the demo. So this is our today's video demo. You can use this in your scenarios according to your the use cases or according to your project. If you have any question, curious, you can ask me. I'll put my contact number or email in the description. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.